Hi everyone, this is my Hmong item of the day. They are the Hmong Princess hats. So I have 4 right now. I've just been collecting them. This one is from my mom, and then the rest I bought from other people. But super pretty. All of them have the bandao throughout the hat. You can zoom in on this one. But yeah, there it is. It's really pretty. Really detailed. And there's that one. Super pretty. And then this one. This one I bought at the Hmong village in Minnesota, so if you're looking for them, they might have some. This is the only one she was selling, and then I didn't get to the other booths, but there's this one. Really pretty. Let me zoom in a little bit on that. And this one's really pretty too. I really like the bandal on it, so super pretty. That's really pretty. There's that one, the fabric. And then this one I actually bought off eBay, which is surprising, from Thailand. So it's not beaded, but I'll probably just leave it because it's pretty, super pretty. And I can show you the inside. So there's that. And here's how you, if you want to make it, that's how they like leave that part attached at the side there, but there it is. There. Same thing. It's attached at the back there and attached over here, like so. Alright, there you go, my Hmong Princess hats. Thank you guys for watching.